This is at the Hilton in Niagara Falls. Yeah, we got this one to ourselves. Lob.
You'll stop.
These are way slower than the other tower.
We're hitting locks on the way up.
Still with the harsh stop.
54.
Going up?
Yeah. Yep. Where? Does it go? Okay.
I won't judge.
18. 18. No, 16.
No, it's 16.
Where you go? I am. Whoa. A little 18.
Oh.
Maybe that's
Well,
right.
Wait, but I thought the elevators up there didn't.
No, you're all good.
Going up.
You guys are going all the way to the 30.
You got a penthouse then. We wondered who were staying in the penthouse.
Oh, we're just scouting a video of the elevator.
Oh.
Oh, wait, do you have a YouTube channel?
Not a very big one. I'm not like Mr. Beast or anything.
Right.
Have a good night.
You as well.
I don't know where this is gonna take us.
We're going up.
You're basically Mr. Beast.
We're last one to get off of this elevator wins $250 million. I'm Mr. Beast minus a few hundred subscribers.
Watermark restaurant.
Oh, wow. Well, this is fancy fancy. What is that? That's another elevator up there. Alright, restarting the video here. I saw what I thought was a glass elevator, but it's not. Oh boy, got our cab view.
30th floor. Going down.
Come down.
Twenty-eighth floor. Going down. Second floor. Going down.
What do you think? And let's go here. Entertainment center. I'm so sad about my chain. I wonder if there's a chain place that I could buy cheap right now. I feel so naked. I didn't even bring my little cross on with me.
There's
There's a fire
showing-
shining in my
Level 2. Entertainment on the deck level. Going down.
This is elevator. This is one more floor to the lobby.
Lobby level. Going up.
There's the lobby. Anyway, that will be it. I guess everyone's piling into that elevator. And anyway, this is the South Tower. Anyway, there it goes. And that's it. Quickly, look how sad this chime is.